All right, welcome back, my dear student. So I decided to make another lecture just to show you a couple things. First of all, we don't want to send the form if it doesn't have anything there. So we want to make sure that all these fields are required, and we can do this with JavaScript, jQuery, even with PHP. All right, or even HTML5 can help us out actually better and easier. So let's go ahead and learn how to do that. Now I did finish the code here, so if you want to go ahead and copy it out from me, you can, or if you downloaded it from the exercise files in the beginning of the course, that's okay as well. As you can see, we're pulling the subject, the email, the message. We got the email right here, and we are concatenating with the headers. All right, and this is just if you, in case you want to CC somebody, or send this to a copy to another email address, right? We want to CC somebody, we can just put their email address, and we send that variable right here, and that's going to send all this information. So when you get the email, it's going to say something like, hey, received from whatever email they type in this field right here. All right, so anyway, let's see how we can make sure that none of these fields are left blank. So let's go to our contact HTML right here, and I believe right here we can type in required. Let's see, save. I believe that is we try to send it like this. No, it doesn't work. Let's just put a D in there and save it. All right, let's save it. Let's just try to submit this without, you see that? So it will not let anybody submit this form unless this is filled. This is pretty cool stuff. So make sure all you have to do is just put the keyword required with a D, all right, as a attribute, all right, right there on your form, and do this for every field you want to be required, like this. We want the subject to be required, even everything, even the message right here. So let's put it after road right here. So just in case we leave anything on, let's refresh. If I fill this and do not fill the message, we get please fill out this field right here. So your form would not get sent unless everything is filled here. All right, that's pretty cool to know, right? So all right, so what else? So now we need a way, all right, to actually make this a little bit more stylish, and the way we do that is by, of course, playing around with inspect element. But you already know how to do that. I'm not going to go over how you can make this really cool, because you should know this by now. All right, you can make this look however you like. That would probably be some more extra lectures in the future, but if you're happy until now with this course, you know what to do. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next lectures.